So, nakapag-grocery na kami. Nakapag-grocery na kami. Pero, ganyan daw ba yan?
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Baril ko na ito, punta mo.
Ito wish.
This one is giving context.
FPJ. Medyo unahan nyo na yan. May 5 doors.
Ano? Sige,
Yung
te.
butane ba natin sa?
Ate, may butane kayo? Saan kayo? May butane doon?
Tapos ito, yung, Diyos ko dahil ito yung mga sandok na ano, sandok na pwede ka nang
Makasi naman,
mahiwa.
mawala naman tayo kasi forgot. May dala tayo, iniwan natin.
Doon, nasa pundahan.
Malapit lang daw ba?
Iwan ko ako.
Oh, amazing! Kaka-video ko, dumiretso ko, no? Ano kaya yan? Man-made?
Fish pond. Hindi.
Oh, maze balls.
Oh. Nakakasama. Bet mo ba yan?
Ano, mamalilit.
Ang masarap ng pagliguan ngayon at malamig ang tubig. Saan daw? Nakapag-swimming ng bahay. Okay. Hatid ko na kayo, sir. Double check ko na lang po daw. Mamaya ko pa. Salamat po. Super thank you. Pa? Tama ba ako ng dinig?
Kuya, sabi na may lalawlawan lang ako.
Tama ako ng dinig? Saan do?
Oo.
Okay.
Yung phone ko ba nakita mo?
Picture ko
Hindi ko...
Pero sige po.
Picture ko lang po kaya.
Ate, yung ano? Ano ba yun? 1. Pati yung hipon din 1. Ha?
Sa kilo yung hipon.
Asa na yung royal?
Diyan yung royal sa
Oh yeah. And the water is clear. Water is so nice. I think it's mababa na kasi, oh look. Di ba dapat ilalagay muna yan? Di ka marunong magluto, no? Dilagay niya yung Sprite, wala pa yung Coke, wala pa yung hipon.
pwede, tamo.
Pwede.
Kotse mo natin itong hipon
Oo.
kapit yung...
Naiwan ata sa kotse yung hipon.
Hindi, andyan yung hipon sa baba.
Fine! They'll die. They also die. You can't lift them, you can't remove them from the water. They will die.
Yeah, and then they have like sets of legs. I don't like that. They're like spiders.
Nope, you... What? Why are you scared?
Because there's freaking starfish, and I'm scared that there will be more scary starfish and sea urchins.
No, there's not.
What if there's a jellyfish and they die? I don't like starfish. They're scary.
There's no jellyfish, Kian.
How about
I'll try
starfish?
to swim. Like, I forgot to call it.
Yes. Nakahanapin to.
Oh my god. Ah! Magtatoyo ka, ate?
Talagang malungkot.
Video to. Kaya nakapangiti ng ngiti. Ma! Ba naman?
Pwede ko kasi may hagdan bumaba.
Ayoko dito na. Kakauto na. Picture kayo na.
Tapos bitawan ko, no?
Kita yung kilikili ko, walang yan.
Ba yan? Sasabihin ko sana sa mule, kunin nyo na po. Naman, no? Hindi ko, inom ka?
Asan?
May, sunmig. Ito.
Ayaw mo? Ayaw mo?
Hindi, kukuha ko yung mas malamig.
Ayun, daya.
Kala ko maglalungay ka. Sige. Yan. Cheers!
Cheers! Video to, ha? Oh no!
video to. Sa vlog. Bakit?
Baka isa mahaba, isa lakad.
Picture ka ma? Kailangan mo Ma, dahan-dahan ma.
You know what I think Kuya threw my shells.
Your?
I think Kuya threw my shells.
Ay, malamang. Kasi,
I think so. Maraming salamat kuya. Ingat ho.
Is that I saw Kuya throw something, but I didn't care about it because I thought it was water. There was like a really pretty one there. It was like a purple. And I saw Kuya throw it. But I thought it was water. I was like, okay, I don't care. But then I saw a shell in the shore. I was like, a shell. And I remembered, where's my shell? And so I was looking for it. I was looking for it in the boat. And I realized...
I think what you can what your take from this is that at least you have a very good shot of, what do you call that? Behati?
Huh?
Behati?
Ano yung bihat?
The
Behelit.
yeah, Behelit.
Because I saw, and I was looking for shells, and I realized the thing that Kuya threw was louder than water. It's like, those were my shells.
But at least two things apart from Behati, the other one is you were able to swim
Yeah.
at a very deep water. That's around if I am 5'8", that's around 30 to 40 feet of water. You can tell that to your friends. It's in the vlog now, so it'll be safe forever.
My shell.
Oo, kawalan.
Tama ito kan. Ano yan?
baka yan. Ano ba yan?
Saan?
Ayun yung nakagaling.
Ano pa madam? Tapos isa.
Tapos sa kaldereta. Lichado ang kaldereta.
Oh. Ang init. mga gagamba. Ayan o, ang laki, diba? Ganyan sila kadami. Ayun yung dahon, tignan mo ate oh.
Ano ba, dalawa? 150. Ano ba yan kanya? Tira mo sa pakwan. Hindi mang kaya tapos dito nyo ah. Sigurado mong kayo dito. Basta ba nun? 250. Baboy, isa si Baboy.
Ate Jen.
Sa pumunta ng gagaw.
Tikman mo, ma'am, sir. Magalit po, yun na yun po.
Ibabalik mo yan pantakip ah.
Babay ko ba to?
Siyempre.
Pala ate.
Huwag nyo na ho.
Sabi kailangan to takpan ay.
Hindi ba masisira yan ate pag inuwi pa ng ano? My God. Ang dami nila Yan.
Kakasya din.
Mag-aamoy lang ka dito.
Oo, mag-aamoy lang ka dito.
Oh, dito ka kung sa my view. Game, ayun nyo pa kumain? Parang lalugi ka dyan. Kaya not you wanna eat?
Yan. Yan, this is your coco. Yan, get one there. Ito ah. Manghang.
Medyo.
Ano?
Yan, spaghetti penye.
Bagay na.
Yan, abot mo naman si penye akong plate.
Alam mo, habang nagpa-pressure ako dun tayo bumabala kasi ayaw ko ano yung stress.
Ito na, gusto mo mayo. Si Kaki yan.